Hi everyone, I'm going to try to make aloe vera juice for the first time. I tried to buy it already prepared at ShopRite. I thought I had seen it 1,000 times, but all I could find was aloe vera drink. Had other things in it I did not want to put in. This is for the dog. It's supposed to be really a great anti-inflammatory. It's supposed to help with digestive issues and a bunch of other things. But I didn't know how to make aloe vera juice. So I asked Casbot first. She said, I think you have to peel the skin, take the gel out. That was a good starting point, but I needed more than that. Unfortunately, our Zoom meeting ended abruptly, not due to any issues, except that the Zoom meeting software just stopped. So I then went on the internet and found various videos about it. And there's an Indian doctor that stressed very much that while this is very, very, very good for you, there is a toxin you have to remove. That made me a little nervous to start with, knowing that there's something really toxic in it and you've got to remove it. But then he made it seem really easy. I went on and I saw other videos that didn't even speak about this toxin until someone said in the comments, you're not supposed to do that. You're supposed to remove that toxin. And then the person making the video said, you're absolutely right. I should have shown that. Meanwhile, they just went right. So I'm going to use the method that this doctor did, and I'll show you. So what we're going to do is going to get a sharp knife and we're going to cut this and this, and I'm going to blot it on the paper towel. You're going to see some yellow. That's the toxin. Okay, so I'm just going to cut this. And you'll see the gel. Okay, see there's white gel there. So even this is a little discolored. I guess you could use that part of that white gel right there. The one he had, he took right off a plant. I used to have an aloe vera plant this big. You see this? I don't like that. I used to have an aloe vera plant that big. Huge. Let's not talk about it. I even grew the flowers and everything, and I didn't even know about the, doing this at that time. Well, not that I wanted to try. So there's the gel. Now watch. We're going to cut off the top. Okay, there we see the gel. And then we're going to cut it into two pieces. Like this. And then we're going to cut off the spikes. All the way down, so we expose the gel like that, right? Just like that. Oh, and I didn't do the little trick. Let's see, he was doing this with the end and saying that, you see the yellow? That's toxic. Okay? So he said you got to soak it in here. And I've actually going to cut it a little smaller because I just bought it. We're going to soak these pieces once we remove the spines in there. Minutes, he said, and that water's going to turn yellow. And so you're going to see that all of that yellow is going to leach out the toxins. Sounds scary, right? Something so good for you has those toxins, like how do you know? But whoops, that was good. We'll see. I will check back in 30 minutes and check that water out. Okay, so it's been 30 minutes and the water is not very yellow at all, okay? I'm just going to take these out, rinse them, and then I'll be right back to show you how we're going to store them. There are a number of ways to do this. You can do this with a knife. You have to peel the skin now, okay? So I saw someone do it with this, and it looked easier. I don't know. Okay, so I can pull it under the skin, but this is like not enough. So, and then I start having to clean it up. So there's a reason. I'm going to try it with a knife. Let me try to skim that off. You can see all the gel, right? And what we're going to do is watch. I'll show you what we're going to do here. And we're going to scoop the gel. It's messy. Okay. Just like that, which is kind of, I know, messy. So let's try it. Again, let's try it a little bit differently on this small piece to see if we can just cut it. Because there are different methods. I saw someone do it in cubes, but I'm wondering if you're going to freeze it in cubes like this to use, you know, why wouldn't you just cut it into smaller pieces? Because it seems like it's a heck of a lot easier to get the skin off like that. And then it's in little chunks already. You see what I mean? Did I just stumble on a life hack? Why wouldn't that be so much easier and to just store it like that into big pieces? I'm going to finish the rest of this and then I'll show you what I have. Okay, so guys, this is the aloe vera gel that I got from that aloe vera blade. Now, you can blend this in your mixer with some lemon juice, with some cucumber, with like a whole cucumber that you can peel and then slice into large chunks. You know, you put it in your Vitamix. You can also put in some fresh ginger root. Now, for a little bit of sweetener, you can use a little bit of sugar, or you can use stevia if you use that, or whatever sweetener that you use, and blend it up, make it into a drink, add ice and water, okay? But since this is for my dog, I don't know what I'm going to blend it with, so I'm not going to put it in the blender yet. I'm going to show you that part later on. I'm just going to store this. Some people put it in Ziploc bags. I'm not going to. I'm just going to store this with the top on it in the refrigerator until I find out what is safe to use with the dog. That's how you get the gel out of the aloe vera. And it's slimy and messy, but you know, if you're looking for something that's very healthy and can help with inflammation, it can help boost immune systems, it can help dogs with allergies, humans too, so gut issues and all kinds of things like that. So thanks for watching, and let me know what you think. Bye-bye.